Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we'll learn compound data types in Python language. It's called lists, also will known as arrays in other languages. Or here, those are the compound data types that Python easily understands. This can be the lists can be indexed, sliced, manipulated on this Python with many other built-in functions are predefinedly written in Python language, which we can use for the similar that functions are one. I can also explain that is the enumerate. See, let's write that functionality of compound data types. See, for the easiest way, I'm showing that copy and paste the works. Python 3.7.1 shell I'm open and writing as a first one, it is fruits that equal to banana and apple and lime. Three items have taken over here and press enter, and the load fruits, the line you see here, simply that fruit dot upper, it is a predefined function over here for fruit in fruits. For fruit in fruits, in the sense like other languages, there is an for each of iterations of the items in the array. Here it is called the list of fruits. For fruit in fruits, it iterates the items, and the fruit dot upper, that function will make it as an uppercase of the characters. And let's see how it will moves into the print that loud fruits. Copy and paste. See, now here the banana and apple and lime, it's showing it's in capitals, and this can be slices, and many or the pre-built-in functions are available to do such a indexing, slicing, and manipulation of the values, in the sense manipulating as we require to move the value accessing of that list values over here. Now let's take that list of enumerate of fruits, close, and let's check. So addressing of the list, it's predefinedly showing that enumerate of the fruits. This is the fruit which we are declared over here. The addressing of the array starts with the 0, even the list, the 0 and 1, 3 values are there. 0 1 2, I'm sorry, 0 1 2, it's showing. Simply, if we invoke that particular list of array declaration, name of the array or name of the list, here it show that the enumeration the enumerate function predefinedly it's showing that values and fetching for us. And many more built-in options are there available in Python 3.7.1 shell update. Ensure that write for easy coding and all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more updates. Like, share and comment. Write us and comment for any clarifications, and requirements of the updates. Thank you.